What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Skittlefab's Fender Rolling here in Boston, Massachusetts.
Give me your love, give me love, never let you go. Give me your love.
Today is a very exciting day because you guys have been watching me for a while if you guys are subscribed, but if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I'm gonna update you guys real quick on what's been going on for the past 2-3 months. Well, my caliber ended up having some issues and I need your help. And I went to go start my car. I went to go try to crank it and it didn't crank. Everything went black, like it blacked out on my dash, right? I thought it was just a loose connection on the battery terminal, right? And then I ended up taking the motor out. And then I ended up sending it to Darton Sleeves down in Virginia, Winchester, Virginia to be exact, where Brandi and Howard actually sleeved my block and then helped me out by building my bottom end to my SRT4. So that is what's being delivered today by FedEx, either FedEx ground or FedEx home delivery, but I'm so excited because I've been waiting basically 2 months for this. It's fully assembled, bottom end. The top end's downstairs in the basement. I am now working on my cylinder. So once it gets here, we're gonna get it off the truck and then we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and expose it to you guys because I know what you guys want. You guys wanna see what my motor looks like, right? FedEx already came with one tote of 2. So I already brought that tote downstairs into my Skittlefab's workshop right here. So this is just my block and whatever else is in there. So I gotta go ahead and wait for the other one. And when that comes, I'm gonna wait for my buddies to come over and we're gonna go ahead and put her on that engine stand right there. That way I can go ahead and assemble pretty much everything on it. But my issue right now is the fact that I gotta do this all in the basement. And then I have to go up those stairs. Those stairs are steep. So that's my issue. But what I was thinking is just get a nice piece of plywood, layer it, and then have 2 of my buddies down there and pull it up, hoist it with my engine hoist, and then go ahead and put it back on the engine stand, or just keep it on the hoist and go ahead and put my transmission on right into my bay. Till then, I gotta wait for the other FedEx guy. FedEx dropped off the other package. It was the same delivery guy, but he said that another delivery truck had it in Salem, but honestly I think he just didn't know he had it in the truck. So there it is. I got my other box. My buddy is over here. We're about to take these 2 boxes apart. I got the other one. You guys have seen just a few seconds ago. I showed you guys, but then I have the tote which has my block and I'm not exactly sure what's inside this box, so I'm gonna put you guys on this tripod. I'm sort of excited to know what's in here. Probably just old parts in this room. Nothing in that box. There's my oil pan, the original one that was on the car. My oil dipstick tube. The ladder. There we go. Says final clean on it. That's that for these 3 things in that one box. Gonna unbox the block, and we're gonna put the block up here. On the top we have 2 stickers, Darton sleeves, and some directions. I'll leave pictures of all 3 of these pages in the top left. Old part for old oil cooler. Put that all up on there. Alright, you wanna put this right up there? Just lift it. There we go. And this is just the block. It's fully assembled. The only thing that isn't on it is the ladder. We have my stock oil cooler, which Howard told me that he kept on trying to flush the cooler and it kept on coming out dirty, so I told him don't even worry about it. That's that, but stay tuned you guys, because I have a twist. I'm not going to be using that, so that's going to keep you guys thinking for a little while. I'm not going to be using that. Oh, and we have Darton Army sticker. Thank you, Howard. That's awesome. That's what's up. Darton sleeve, patent technology for the serious competitor. 2018 catalog also. Anything else? Oh, another Darton Army. That's what's up. So, that's 4 stickers. Yep. Brandi and Howard and everybody at Darton East, I really appreciate it. I'll let you guys know an updated video on how the caliber is running. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and tear this open. And from there we'll go ahead and mount it together on to the engine stand. So, I'll be honest with you guys, I have never seen a sleeve block before. So, this is going to be my first time. Have you ever seen one? No? It's what they do all day on the 4B11Ts, which are the Evo 10s. So, you want to go over there and hold that? I'll lean it my way. Alright, from here, gonna go ahead and bolt this up. Okay, so my buddy and I attempted to hold the engine up together while trying to bolt it up to this piece, right? That goes to the engine stand that slides into that hole, right? Now, we tried to do that, but we literally look like morons, so that's why I'm posting it up right here so you guys can see a little bit of us looking stupid. But I ended up asking if he could help me go ahead and pop this onto the table before he took off, and he did. That way I could go ahead and mount this to the side of the engine where the flywheel normally goes. So, my next step is I want to show you guys what this looks like. I haven't shown you guys clearly, so like I want to expose it to you guys, but I want to let you guys know this isn't a cheap job. So if you guys are over there thinking, oh, I'm gonna get my block sleeved and whatnot, it starts getting expensive. If I was you, treat your motor with respect, because it is not cheap building the caliber SRT4, I'll tell you right now. So if you don't have a cracked block right now and your cylinder walls are nice, either treat your motor nice and fair, or go ahead and disassemble that thing and send it to Darton East in Virginia. I did it because I needed to bulletproof my block, because cylinder number 3 ended up crapping out on me, and it was basically a failure of a motor if I slapped it together with some brand new pistons. So we're gonna go ahead and show you this. So this is it, guys. These are Choice A pistons from Modern Performance. They were about $101, I think, per piston. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pick this up and slide it into that engine stand. There we have it. So I'll give you guys a close-up on what she looks like.